it's Mrs. Bianchi. We're looking at questions 4 and 5. They both pertain to the same tank. For question 4, you just have to find the volume of the tank. And for question 5, we're going to fill the tank up 2/3 of the way, and we have to state how much water is in the tank. So you will need your answer to question 4 to answer question 5. So let's go back and look at 4. You have just purchased a fish tank that is a rectangular prism. How much water can the fish tank hold? And here are the dimensions. So the first thing you should do is write the formula down. Volume equals length times width times height. And then the next thing you should do is make a commitment to which number you want to be the length. So how about we choose this as being the length? We'll call this the width, and we'll call this the height. Next, we substitute those numbers into the formula. Be careful while you do that. Next thing we do is look for some pre-reducing opportunities. I see a really nice opportunity right here. We can divide this numerator by 4 and get 1. Divide this numerator by 4 and get 1. Not seeing anything else. So the next step is to go ahead and do 1 times 3. Put that value right here. Then do 5 times 1 times 4. Put that number right here. And then you want to make sure you add the cubic meters to your answer. Now, in the multiple choice, if it's not listed, consider the fact that there may be a need to rename it as a mixed number or simplify it in some way. But you can take the value as is, and you can go ahead and substitute that value for the V, because that's the volume of the water. Question 5 says, if you fill the tank 2/3 of the way full, how much water will be in the tank? So we're basically taking 2/3 of the volume of the tank, which means that we're multiplying. So take that value, substitute it in for V, multiply it by 2/3, and that will give you the answer for number 5.